Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Trust Wallet account. First of all you have to do is open Trust Wallet application on your phone and click on Get Started. From here, Trust Wallet app will open. So we want to create a new wallet to use Trust Wallet application. So I will click on Create New Wallet. From here, I have two options, Secret Phrase and Swift. You can choose either of the options. I will select Swift and I will click on Create. I will check all the boxes and hit Continue. So what happens if passkey is deleted? I lose access to my wallets and funds. So I will check the answer. Now click on Got it, Continue. So I will type a name of my wallet, new wallet, and I will click on Done. Now it is preparing my new wallet. It is asking for biometrics. Now it is backing up my authentication. Now it is asking me to create a PIN code. Now I have successfully created a wallet with Trust Wallet application. And that's how you can create a Trust Wallet account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.